Our first stop is Tilok Chempadak Beach. It was good to see so many people just relaxing here. Look at the beautiful moving clouds, and the beach crowd keeps changing too. Feels lively. At night, this is Kuantan's highlight, the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, beautifully lit up. Next morning, calm sunrise.
8, 9 o'clock, waterfalls.
Wow, mango. This was the best part. Sungai Pandan Waterfalls. We were one of the first to enter in the morning. The water was so refreshing. You can even stand under it like a shower. I slowed it down here so you can feel the flow. If you look closely, you can see little fishes swimming too. Then we did something different. Batik painting. This is where you see me for the first time. My buddy's face is blurred for privacy. The couple who run this place were really friendly. Honestly, painting batik felt like therapy. We highly recommend everyone to visit this wonderful place. Here's my finished artwork, ready the next day. After that, we checked out Kuantan Art Street. A lot of cool murals and designs around. ஆமாம் யா அலின் கடை Back to the bikes. Calm vibe Singaporean adventurer on the plate. We rode down to Pantai, Padang Beach. It was really relaxing. Ended the night with this, stars above Kuantan. It's magical. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.